Joel, guess what Olivia and I are gonna watch?
What's that?
Saved by the Bell. What do you think of that?
Slater and you think of me? It's cool.
You'll understand when you're older. Older as in 20 minutes. Let's go.
So as we are quarantining, well, before we hit COVID, it was my friend's birthday party and I was gonna go to it. So I got him the new Flip 32. I got one for me and him.
Are we gonna play with it today?
So I'm gonna put mine together today because I don't have much to do.
What's it mean? Electric Nerf flips.
So we gotta put a few pieces together. Okay, we also
Oh,
need
yeah,
to find the other.
crafting table.
I think I left it upstairs.
Well, don't mind if I do.
How does he do that?
Immediately place the swab into the tube and swab. Okay, we followed the instructions and we're gonna see what Cody's test says.
How do we know if we have
It
COVID?
says 15 minutes, so we'll wait.
How do we know if I have COVID or not?
I believe 2 lines.
14 Mississippi, 15 Mississippi, 16 Mississippi, 17 Mississippi, 18 Mississippi.
1, 2,
Do you have to do anything
3,
that might more?
4, 5. No.
Oh,
And then pinch it and slide. Oof.
is COVID in there? What are you doing? I hope I got not positive.
18.
We're going to await the 15 minutes to see if any of us are positive. Joel isn't testing because you can only buy 4 tests at a time. So he'll test maybe tomorrow when we can get another test. I am pleased to announce that only Cody has COVID. Just kidding. None of us have COVID. Cody, you should have seen them jump away from you like you were the biggest germ in the world. Well, they wouldn't have been wrong. Okay, well, none of us have COVID. So, except Olivia. So Olivia is staying. No, none of them do.
That's so good.
Yep. I told Olivia she could walk around the house as long as she didn't touch anything. She has a bathroom that she's using that no one else is using. We're all using the upstairs bathroom. And we're trying to keep things
Did you prank Cody and tell him
separate.
that he got COVID?
Yes, and it was so funny. You'll have to wait and watch. Because it would show 2 lines and this only shows 1.
Well,
So,
since
we're
I can't
good.
get everything, guess who wants to get it for me?
I'm getting everything for her. Yep. So she needs a bowl of cereal. I pour
Can you
it.
get me some lunch? Can you get me some lunch? Go anywhere.
Mom, I don't know if Lincoln has it or not because I can see it something dark.
No, you cannot.
I can.
No, you cannot. Do you want to know the real reason I tested my kids? I had to see how nice I needed to be to them. They tested negative. I don't have to be nice. Okay, come in and eat. Let's go. But it's summer. Okay, let's go.
He's like, there's 12.
Oh my gosh, there's a million little kids. That's funny.
He took the treat on me.
We've got Olivia set up in her quarantine location. You out. Go out. Last night we watched what movie?
7 Bread for 7 Brothers.
That was amazing. Today, Olivia is watching The Court Gesture, an old Danny Kaye movie. So I love Danny Kaye.
It
So
has a TikTok thing in it.
yeah, some of the old TikTok trends are actually in this movie. People have no idea. Enjoy the movie. I wish I could watch. I've got to work.
Not that we want to turn a light on, but we have to be able to see in the camera. Ice cream for breakfast. Check. What movie are we on to now?
The movie that we're watching is The King's Gesture? The Court's Gesture? I don't remember. It's an old show. Deb likes it, so.
The Court Jester. And Joel was like, I'm so jealous. He's like, I have to edit, but I want to be watching that. I'll trade you spots, Joel. No, just kidding. I actually love laying here with Olivia. I just don't like old movies.
But I do.
Well, as long as you're happy, that's fine. I don't care. Eat your ice cream. Oh, I was like, where's your mask? But you're eating your ice cream. Now I know how flight attendants feel. Well, it is now dark. Olivia and I have been watching movies all day long.
For the record, we watched like 2 movies, but one of them we had to stop every 45 minutes to do something.
It's true. Okay, put your mask above and you just do your thing, Olivia. The rest of us, I want everyone to come up here. I made the kids eat
Something
Gross.
an intolerable salad for lunch.
You bumped my owie that I actually was reading.
I'm sorry. Where is Boston?
Right there.
Somewhere.
If you guys will help me
I
walk.
slipped on the ice cube when I got a boo-boo.
Okay, Lincoln.
What's wrong?
Lincoln, okay, that's good. If you guys will help me go through the house, walk through and get it all the way picked up. Dad is on his way to pick up cookies for our ice cream sundae things, you know. We'll show these guys later. The cookies, the ice cream cookies. Yeah. And a Totino's pizza.
Time.
Cheese.
Wait, just one? Or do we all get
You each get your own. So let's start in here. Lincoln, you put coats away. Cody, you get all the shoes at the door put away. I'm gonna turn the heater up because it is
freezing?
an iceberg in this house. Pick up what I told you. I'm gonna get the blender put away. Cody, you get lady fed.
Lady, go get it.
While we finish cleaning up, we have discovered a new symptom of COVID. I feel really bad for her. Whenever I turn the lights on.
You gotta turn off the lights.
No, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this and put it on you. As soon as I lift my hand, do it.
Okay.
I'll stand back.
I'll stand back.
Okay, go ahead. Get ready. No, you have to do it. The world has to see the symptoms, Olivia. Okay. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, get ready. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Do it! The world needs to know. Oh my gosh, you have to do it. Oh my gosh. Okay, get your hands ready. The way she hisses when the light turns on. Cody is so sweet. He just came and got me and he's like, Mom, the sunset. Is it a good one? I'm looking at you before I look at it. All right. Ding.
Oh, golden.
Aww. Cody, thank you for showing me the sunset tonight.
Take a picture.
You know, thank you. I seriously love it. Every time there's a sunset, I make all the kids come look at it so they can enjoy it. You're a sweetie. Thank you.
I shoveled that earlier today.
Yep, Cody is the one that shoveled the driveway. Boston helped. And then this is what happens when you don't shovel pronto. It turns to ice and you can't get it off. So, word to the wise, shovel promptly, right?
There was.
If you know, you know. Those that know, know. The ones that don't, don't. Look at the glow back there. I wish we had an amazing view. It's fine that we don't. You can still enjoy the beauty even if there's power lines and homes and all sorts of things in your way. You still see the beauty. When our household has a bunch of germies in it and nobody wants to come near us, but they have a birthday present that they want to give to you because you're filming a YouTube video and you need the birthday present.
That's why I asked.
Grandpa Griffiths delivers. Thanks, Grandpa.
Does it say UPS on your car somewhere?
Well,
It's honest.
that way I can charge more.
Yeah.
Federal Express, you deliver pandas too. Thanks, Grandpa.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye. Bye, Grandpa. Bye, Grandpa. Thank you. It's cold. It is absolutely freezing outside. My mom had gun graft surgery and had like 2 sections done. Probably, I think, 3 sections done at one time. She's a swollen mess at home. Oh, Mom, I hope you get feeling better soon.
Just smell the bottle.
All right, let's smell this here.
Take a hit.
My dad freeze-dried, what are they? Laffy Taffies?
Yeah.
What's the rule?
The rule is the white and black ones are off limits. Absolutely off limits.
Thank you. I hate them.
I love them, but you're weird then.
All right, tell us what you think.
heck? That feels weird, but it tastes so good.
The red one then?
That kind
red and white one?
Want a red one?
it like dissolves in your mouth.
The black one.
The blue.
Let's hear it.
So good.
Does it dissolve fast?
Blue.
Let's see it. Let's hear it.
No, that's a
This is the one you're getting.
blue.
I don't think you heard me.
The green and yellow one is good.
I think I'm gonna have to wait.
All right, we'll have more. We'll say, no, he did not.
only got one.
We'll have some more tomorrow for our
If you're not caught up on today's task videos, you should go check out his channel. Links in the description. He has some really fun videos over there. So horrendous. However, I got all the boys' haircuts done. I helped all the kids get their piano practice except for Olivia. And I went through and collected a bunch of like laundry and just kind of wiped a bunch of things down just to keep things like clean. And it's funny the reaction that I've gotten. I knew I would have a lot of opinions, so it's really okay. I have been quarantining Olivia-ish. She's not allowed to touch anything. So I prepare everything for her, her food, just like everything. She has her own bathroom, and this is the place that she's been allowed to be, is right here on my bed. I make my bed, and then I put a blanket down below us, and then I put a blanket above us, and at nighttime I put that away. Did I put this on wrong? No. This is and yes, I am absolutely going to stay with Olivia. I would much rather get sick than to have her be alone, and some people's reactions have been, that's exactly what I would do, and some people are like, you're so stupid. Anyway, it's fine. We're just doing what we're doing, and so far no one else has gotten sick, which is great, and if they do, then they do. There. Now Olivia and I are ready to watch fried green tomatoes. That's what's on the docket next. Joel made these over on his channel because he was showing everyone how to season grill. What do you guys think?
That's so good.
It smells like Five Guys in here. I think we're gonna close the vlog here, everyone. Thanks for watching our weekend.
So good.
Hopefully, next week when we test, we'll all be also negative again. Bye, everybody.
Cody, Mom said for you to record. No, she didn't. She did, but she never said for me to.
Hey,
Fighting.
you've been taking them out. Boston, where are
Cody,
they?
stop.
No.
The camera can hear you. Did I get COVID?
The court jester.
My legs are like ice cubes.
My legs are like ice cubes.
Standing in Boston's pee.
That's water from the shower. Boston, you can figure it out. You know lines and spaces. If you need me to remind you what they are, ask me. Oh, you can't even see.
Cut that out.